My name is Amanda Fox, and I am the co-author of Teaching Land, a teacher's survival guide to the classroom apocalypse, and also Zom-Be, a design thinker, which is meant to be a companion book to go with the maker challenges from Teaching Land. Teaching Land book does the engineering design process, while Zom-Be, a design thinker, focuses on, you guessed it, design thinking. So the book is targeted at elementary teachers to introduce design thinking combined with the Merge Cube, which is this beautiful thing right here. With Merge and Cospaces, I have designed a kind of like a design thinking assignment that has pages from the book. It doubles as a story, but also an assignment to introduce students to the modes of design thinking. We also prompt students to replace the images with their own artifacts, which can be, each side have an image, text, and sound. And we have notes inside of the actual coding that helps guide students where to replace it. So what would happen is we would assign this cube to a class, and then they would go through the process. They'd click on it and get their assignment. Congratulations! You have read Zom-Be, a design thinker, and through empathy have helped make Zip human again. Now it's time to complete a design challenge and document your process. So once they customize your cube, listen. As we go to the first mode, click on it. Empathy is understanding and sharing the feelings of others. Observe, engage, and immerse yourself in the user's perspectives you're trying to solve problems for. Use your insights to design innovative solutions. Post an artifact that documents your observations here. There is defining. The define mode is when you unpack your empathy findings. Based on your understanding of users and their environment, come up with an ideation. Ideation is essentially brainstorming. Come up with a bunch of different ideas for solutions or prototypes. Add a video and prototype. Prototyping gets ideas out of your head and into the world. A prototype can be anything that takes a physical form. A wall of Post-its, a role-playing activity, an object. Take a moment to post a picture of your prototype here. So each side of the cube covers the different modes of design thinking, and the last testing is your chance to gather feedback, refine solutions, and continue to learn about your users. Make improvements based on your feedback. Post a reflection on any improvements that you have made here. And as we continue to go through the design thinking process and they replace the images, the audio, and the text, they have a handheld portfolio cube, essentially. So one of the problems I'm trying to solve with creating this is that consumables in the classroom can be expensive, and not every student gets to go home with a prototype or the prototype that they've built. So by documenting the process, which is the important part, not necessarily the outcome or the prototype that they designed, but the entire design framework, going through that process is what we want to emphasize, and through many iterations. But as they go through and document, everyone gets to have a portfolio and images of what they actually built, and they can access that from home. Also, you can take QR codes and post them on a bulletin board and have parent night or curriculum night or STEM night, and parents can come in and scan this and interact with the cube and see what their students have made. So the book is set to come out in March, tentatively. Teaching Land comes out in 2 weeks, so please take a look at teachinglandthebook.com, and we cannot wait to release many, many, many Merge Cube design challenges into the world.